All right, I want to look at some special type of perfect square trinomials. And so there's a couple of approaches you could take here on this. Okay, and another misprint there. It's supposed to be D. All right, on this one, you can see it's a trinomial, 3 terms, and then any common factors, there's not. And on this one, A equals 1. Now you could play the whole game of remember when A equals 1, you could play the game of what multiplies to the last one and adds the middle term. What multiplies to 49 adds to 14? 7 and 7, right? So x plus 7 times x plus 7, and that is equivalent to x plus 7 squared. This is called a perfect square trinomial because the same number that multiplies to this also adds the middle term, okay? And so this will similarly follow the same pattern, okay? But it's a little different, okay? And we'll kind of explore how this works. On this next one here, 16x squared minus 56x plus 49, okay? So this one, any common factors? No. This one, a is greater than 1. So you either got to do guess and check or you got to do grouping. I'm not doing both this time. I'm going to do guess and check, okay? And so 16x squared, what multiplies to 16? You can do 16 and 1, or you can do 4 and 4, or you can do 8 and 2. I'm going to do 4 and 4, okay? I'm kind of ruining the surprise here because it's a perfect square. So like the same thing that goes here will also go here. And then the same thing that goes here will also go here. Okay, I'm ruining the surprise. Now, next we look and see what sign to put. This says they're going to be the same sign. And they're going to be the same as that. So they're both going to be minus. Okay. And then what multiplies to 49? 49 and 1 or 7 and 7. Okay, and you can look at this. Negative 7 times 4x is negative 28x. 4x times negative 7 is negative 28x. That adds to negative 56x, so that checks out. And so this becomes 4x minus 7 squared, right? So there are formulas for this you could use, but it's kind of tricky because these are just things that sneak in there. And I mean, you could kind of, if you want to recognize it from the beginning, but not every problem is perfect square. So not every problem factors this way. So I kind of like you using your traditional methods of factoring to explore it and do those.